Hello my friends, welcome to one more video here in the channel, Just a Guy Learning English. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to translate description and title of a video, okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna get a video here, so let's go. Okay, in the details tab, search for the option where is it? To manage other languages, go to subtitles. Okay, click here. You will see a message like this. Let's set a main language to the video. In this case, let's imagine it's English. Confirm. Okay, choose the option add language. Let's imagine you want to translate your title and description to Spanish, for example. Let's search for Spanish. Okay, Spanish. That's it. Here we have title and description, subtitles. Okay, let's choose this option and click on add. Okay, here we have English title and English description. Okay, here we'll have a Spanish title and Spanish description. Okay, in my case I am using a TubeBuddy extension. Okay, in my case all I have to do is click on translate and the process will happen automatically. Okay, here we have a Spanish title. You can edit if you want. Okay, the name of the game is good to leave the same. Okay, next step is click on publish. Okay, if you want to install TubeBuddy, I will leave a link on the video description. Okay, here you can install for your browser, web browser, TubeBuddy extension to make this thing. Okay, click on here, you will be redirected to the developer page. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, assuming that you don't want to install TubeBuddy, you can do this without the extension if you want. For this, all you have to do is copy your title. Okay, let's copy. Go to Google Translator. Okay, English to Spanish. Copy here and go to the video and paste. Ghosts of War. Okay, the name of the game I'm not going to translate. Okay, the description the same thing. Okay, let's copy. Okay, copy the translation and paste here. Okay, after that click on publish. That's it. Okay, here it is. You can edit or delete if you want. Okay, that's it, buddies. just a little note, if you want to download and install the extension, the link will be on the video description. But if you don't want to install this extension, you can do it normally, okay? Using the process I'll show to you, okay? If you like this video, thumbs it up, and till the next one.